TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a very sunny, a very beautiful Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 11 a.m. update, and we've got a sea of green out there. All the U.S. indices are rallying. Dow's up 533, S&P's up 91 points, NASDAQ 100, 386, 44 for the Russell, 309 for the transports, 139 for the semis. Gold's off $5. Silver's up 3 cents. Light sweet crude trading back 68 pennies. Let's try to figure out what all this means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin first with the ES Mini. The ES Mini right now looks like it's going to go ahead and form an A to B equals CD pattern to the upside. We'll take a look at that during the Trader's Edge show. All that needs is a close above the high from March 19th. That high is 57.70. We're trading at 58.10. The same pattern is unfolding inside the NQ. It just simply needs a close today above the high of 2167.75. That's the high from March the 17th. That will trigger an A to B equals CD pattern to the upside. In the case of the Dow, the same thing. Now the Dow's got a TD9 count bottom and a close above the high from March 20th, that high being 42.604. That will trigger an A to B equals CD pattern to the upside for it. We've got high-grade copper. It will go ahead and form a TD9 count top today. It's got a Rhodes Momentum Indicator signal trigger. It has a new bearish structured daily profile that is forming out there. So we're likely to see a pullback at least to test the oscillating change line. So it's not much further below, but if we get below that, we're looking at a move towards 485. Gold is just consolidating with inside its profile. It is right now trading below its green oscillator and change line. That suggests it wants to make run for its buy zone. That's between 2972 and 3003. Silver is trading below. It has a TD9 count top. It's trading below its oscillator and change line, likely to target profile support, which right now is at 32.99. Light sweet crude is going to go target profile resistance. That's at 69.66. Not much further away from where we're trading right now. If price can close above that, it'll head back to where it broke down. That's at 72.55. Natural gas looks like it wants to target the bottom of that profile, and that's at 388 out there. That may be the entry point into a long position for natural gas. And finally, we take a look at 30-year Treasury. Watch 116.12 at day's end. Now, price is trading just below the bottom of its daily profile. But if we were to close below, really what it needs to do is it needs to close below this bull sash candle up to change that. The level to be watching today is going to be 116 even Steven. You close below that, that's going to trigger an A to B equals CD pattern to the downside. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you have to start your Monday, have a magnificent one. Thanks for joining us. We'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.